Hey everyone, in one of my previous tutorials I demonstrated how the command line interface mode can be used in Leica REGISTER 360 Plus for automated point cloud processing. In this video I would like to show you an enhanced workflow, one that not only processes the raw data automatically but also imports it into Leica Cyclone 3DR and applies your own custom filters. The new 3DR Flow tool and the Leica Cyclone 3DR allows you to create a fully customized filtering scenario, including the order of filters and their parameters. And then you can apply it in batch mode to multiple LGSx and E57 files. Let's take a look how it works. The workflow can be divided in three main steps. Prepare the TXT configuration file with 3DR Flow tool, processing raw scanner data via Leica Cyclone REGISTER 360 Plus in command line interface mode, importing process data from the second step into the Leica Cyclone 3DR software and filtering it there according to the predefined order. Each of these steps has its own requirements and cannot be run without them. First step, generate the configuration file with the 3DR Flow tool. The 3DR Flow is a visual pipeline builder for point cloud processing for Leica Cyclone 3DR. Just like Dynamo for Revit, it lets you create automated workflows by placing nodes, connecting them and adjusting parameters, all without writing code. The tool uses the standard filtering functions of Leica Cyclone 3DR, so every block in the canvas corresponds to a real 3DR operation. If you want to learn more about each filter, detailed descriptions are available in the official documentation. You can place filters in any order, combine them freely and customize all parameters to match your workflow. From importing E57 or LGSx files to applying classification, intensity filters, noise removal, cloud splitting and cleanup. When your pipeline is ready, simply click Generate. The tool will create a filter.txt file. Just drag and drop it into your script folder, and the processing pipeline is ready to run. With 3DR Flow, you can standardize your point cloud processing, save time and fully automate repetitive tasks inside Leica Cyclone 3DR. Second step, processing raw data via CLI mode. With this tool you should be familiar if you watched my previous video about automated point cloud processing with command line interface mode in Leica REGISTER 360. But this time I transferred settings for the CLI mode directly to Cyclone 3DR, so you can work within single environment. You have two main options. Process B2G files to LGSx, that option is suitable for mobile scanners, and second option, process RTC or BLK360 data to E57 files. This option is suitable for terrestrial scanners. When you run processing B2G files, you will find all available options for processing. Same for RTC and BLK360 data. So you can just define parameters for processing and then click Generate Command button. This button will generate BAT file. This BAT file will automatically run the processing with REGISTER 360 in command line interface mode based on your parameters. And step 3, import and filter data in Leica Cyclone 3DR. The third step starts automatically after step 2. In step 2, script generated for us the temporary TXT file. In that file we have information about E57 and LGSx point cloud that should be imported into the software, and the filter.txt file that we generated with 3DR Flow tool, which define the order of processing steps and the parameters for every filter. The only thing the user must ensure is that filters.txt is placed in the script folder. Once it's there, the script will automatically load the configuration and apply all corresponding functions. The script supports three different modes. First mode, default mode, automatic import and filtering. The script detects temporary TXT file that we created in step number 2, and it imports all point cloud files mentioned in the TXT file, then automatically processes them according to the filters.txt file. So no user interaction is required for this mode. And second option is manual import mode. If temporary TXT file doesn't exist, the script will ask user to manually select an E57 or LGSx file, then run the full filtering pipeline on the selected file. And third mode, manual selection mode. If user has already imported the cloud in Leica Cyclone 3DR environment, then the user can select an existing cloud directly in the Leica Cyclone 3DR, run the script, and the script applies all filters from filters.txt to the selected cloud. Filtering logic: no matter which way the script is launched, all filtering always performed according to the configuration defined in filters.txt file. So let's have a look at 3 different scenarios of usage. Scenario A: processing BLK2GO mobile data for stockpile volume calculation purpose. So let's imagine we have multiple B2G files located in the same folder. In each track we have separate stockpile, so registration not required. So our workflow should start from creating a configuration file by using 3DR flow tool. We can start by adding an import LGSx point cloud step. Select mobile data, choose which element to extract, points, images, trajectories, etc. Then add the noise filter, set the intensity level approximately to 25. This removes sparse unwanted points inside the cloud. Add the classification filter, select the BLK mobile, filter people model. This creates 2 layers, moving people and all other points. Add the filter by class and enter class ID 67. This number corresponds to moving people. Choose remove. This deletes all detected people from the cloud. Add another classification filter, select the heavy construction UAV model. This detects ground points and remaining features. Then click generate. The tool will create a filter.txt file. Place the generated filters.txt into the script folder. Open the Leica Cyclone 3DR and run the main 3DR flow script. In the dialog menu, choose process B2G to LGSx, execute. Specify all required paths. Important thing that the raw data path must point exactly to the folder containing the multiple B2G files. Define all processing parameters for the B2G files and then click Generate Command. In the next dialog, select the B2G files to process, click Save and execute. This triggers Leica Cyclone REGISTER 360+ to run in the background mode. The script will automatically monitor the logs. Once each LGSx file is created, it will be imported into Leica Cyclone 3DR. Filtering is applied sequentially according to the filters.txt configuration. As the result, you will obtain multiple fully filtered point clouds in Leica Cyclone 3DR ready for accurate stockpile volume calculation. Scenario B: processing BLK360 data for 2D plan generation. Let's assume that we have the raw data from Leica BLK360, so multiple BLK files located in the same folder and the BLK job file inside. All data was registered with a mobile application like a Cyclone Field 360, so no need to create any links because all of them were created before in the field. Registration will be done with CLI mode based on the information about the links from Leica Cyclone Field 360. So first step of the workflow is create a configuration file as usual by using the 3DR flow tool. Start by adding an import E57 point cloud step. Choose which elements to extract, points, images, etc. Add the noise filter, set the intensity level approximately 25, this removes sparse and unwanted points. Add the intensity filter, set them 98 and 0.99. Choose keep inside, this keeps only points in between the minimum maximum intensity range. Add the explode filter, set the maximum distance in the range of 20 to half a meter. Delete small clusters with less than 500 points and maximum number of clusters is 1000. And mode set merge single cloud. It will generate single cloud after clustering. Then click generate. The tool will create a filter.txt file, place the generated filters file into the script folder. The next step is process BLK files. Open Leica Cyclone 3DR and run the main 3DR flow script. In the dialog menu, choose process BLK 360 to E57 and click execute. Specify all required paths. Important thing that the raw data path must point exactly to the folder containing the project folder. Define all processing parameters for the raw data and then click generate command. Click save and execute. That triggers Leica Cyclone 3DR Plus to run in the background mode, and the script will automatically monitor the logs. Once a single register T57 is created, it will be imported into Leica Cyclone 3DR. Filtering is applied sequentially according to the filters.txt configuration. As a result, you will obtain fully filtered point cloud and Leica Cyclone 3DR ready for accurate 2D plan extraction. In scenario C, filtering process point cloud. That scenario could be useful in case when you have already processed a point cloud in E57 or LGSx formats, or even if it was already imported into Leica Cyclone 3DR and it exists in your project. So the workflow will be very similar. First step, create a configuration file using the 3DR flow tool. Start by adding import E57 or LGSx point cloud steps based on your data type. But note that if the point cloud already existed in the Leica Cyclone 3DR, then this step is not required. Add all required filters. If you're going to filter an existing LGSx file, you can add the clone LGSx option. After filtering, it will create a copy of original LGSx file, but with the filtered point clouds. Click Generate. The tool will create a filters.txt file, place it into the script folder. Then the next step, filtering in Cyclone 3DR. For the existing point cloud in Leica Cyclone 3DR environment, first you should select the point cloud and only after that run the script. But if the point cloud just stored on your PC as a E57 or LGSx file, then be sure that the temporary txt file is not present in the script folder. If it's there, just delete it before running the script. Open Leica Cyclone 3DR and run the main 3DR flow script. In the dialog menu, choose Dynamic Import and Filtering. Click Execute. Script will ask you to define the path to E57 or LGSx point cloud if you don't have any selected point cloud in the project. The script will automatically import the selected point cloud into Cyclone 3DR. Filtering is applied sequentially according to the filters.txt configuration, and as a result you will obtain fully filtered point cloud in Leica Cyclone 3DR. I'm planning to keep improving the 3DR flow tool and add more filtering options in future updates. Your feedback is really important for that, so let me know in the comments how it works for you and which features you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.